What's up, Silky Smooth Gang? Back at you guys with another video. Honestly, I really don't know where I left off on last video, but we're still working on the Escalade, trying to get all the wrap off of it. Last night I went ahead and pulled the wrap off of this door. Actually, this door did pretty good, better than any of the other panels. We really didn't lose any clear on it, so yeah, it did pretty good. I should already have the lights on, but it's all good. It was super cold in here last night, had the heater going, but today I guess I'm gonna try to knock out this area, get it all done. I started on the bumper and a lot of the clear was coming off on the bumper back there. Also, I knocked out the other side off camera. Excuse me. Look at all my car is dirty. I went and washed my truck, but I haven't did the wheels and tires yet. Let's see. So this side we lost a lot of clear, guys, so I just got frustrated. I didn't want to record it all. I just wanted to get it off of there and keep it moving. Also, guys, if you're new to this channel, we do car content over here. We do car building. We got some newer cars too, so yeah, if you're new here, go ahead and like and subscribe. I started on this area last night too, but I had to keep the garage shut, so I didn't have enough room to keep going with it. But today it's a pretty nice day. I'm gonna get ready to, I guess I'll record this one for y'all. And if y'all missed the other videos, y'all gonna see how I get this stuff off. Yeah, that's about it, man. I really don't plan on wrapping any more of my vehicles. Maybe for a customer or something like that, but yeah, nah. And then I found out that I wrapped this thing too good. So like everything I did, I mean, I took all the panels apart, so everything is tucked really tight, and so it's hard to get it off, as you can see, like right here, because I took the whole vehicle apart. So like there's wrap still inside the seams and stuff like that until I take everything off. There's a little bit of wrap back here. So yeah, right there. So until I take everything apart, I'll get all that stuff out of the seams. This one shouldn't be too bad because I didn't take the windshield. I didn't take this back glass out, so this one should come off pretty good. I'm gonna try to heat it up as much as I can so we don't lose too much clear. This will be fairly easy. You just pop this weather stripping out, and then we'll start in this area probably and get to pulling that way. I need to get this heater out of the way too so I can have some room over here. We'll probably set you guys up on the tripod and get to work. I might have to go grab the kids real quick. What time is it? Oh shoot. Yeah, I might have to go pick up kiddos, but we'll get everything set up, ready to go, and let's get to work.
You know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
Looks like I am gonna have to go pick up the kids, guys, but I'm gonna try to get it started. Give me a little spot going before I do that. So there's no plastic trim right here, so we're gonna try to catch it right here and start working our way up and then out. Be careful with these heat guns, they are super hot. If you touch yourself right here, it's a wrap. It's gonna burn you up. Take the skin off. Now guys, we're gonna cut that and then we'll work our way out. Hope y'all can see. Yeah, y'all can see pretty good. And then we're gonna move the camera around here in a little bit. I just don't have that much room right here, guys, so you gotta bear with me. I got about a 2.5 foot, maybe 3 foot walkway right here, and then the camera lens is the only 15. The shortest is 15 millimeter on the camera. So when my son get here, he'll probably help us out and record. So now we can, we haven't lost any clear yet on this area. So now we'll work it. I don't know which way I want to go. See, how long do I got? I got a few more minutes. We'll probably speed it up, guys, and let y'all see what's going on. Alright guys, this side's going a lot better. We haven't lost any clear yet. It's gonna be hard for me to show y'all this part. I'm gonna see if my tripod will go up that high, because the spots that are sun damaged like that, it kind of comes off a little harder. But I'll see if I can get y'all up there. Smoke break time. But yeah, it's coming out pretty good. Drop down in the comments, let me know what y'all think. If this happened to y'all, would y'all ever wrap your car again? It's crazy. I mean, we're following the right procedures. We're heating it up. We're pulling it out slow. Yeah, I just don't know, guys. It ain't been on there that long. So, anyways, yeah, we'll finish up this part, and then we might start on the back area today. Well, that sucks. So I set my tripod up right there, up really, really high, and I turned the camera on and I couldn't see it, but y'all missed this whole part getting done. So it's good though. No clear came off. This area is done. So this whole quarter panel is done except for the gas tank cover, which that's easy to take off. This roof is gonna be freaking terrible, guys. So I don't know when I'm gonna start on that. I'm gonna probably knock the back out. I don't know if I'm gonna make a video on it. I just need to get this thing done and get it out of the garage. That way we can finish the 1972 Buick LeSabre. If y'all haven't seen that car, make sure you go to my other video so y'all can check it out. But y'all already know the routine. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.